how to practice English alone at home if you don't have any mentor who can correct you, or if you don't have time to go to any institute to learn spoken English. You can sit back at home and you can practice alone. So, today's topic is all about tenses, that is, samay. So, if you know how to use tenses correctly, your sentence framing will become much easier. Okay, so there are three basic tenses: past, present, and future. Past में there are four tenses, present में there are four tenses, and future maybe there are four tenses. So 4 threes are 12 tenses. So today we will discuss about only 6 tenses, which I find is very simple and easy. If you can learn these 6 tenses, your half work is done. And then the rest 6 we can do in another video, because अगर आप ये पहला 6 सिंपल टेंसेस जो है जिसके बारे में मैं अभी बात करूंगी, इसको आप समझ पाए तो बाकी के जो 6 है वो भी आप इजीली समझ जाओगे. सारा एक साथ करने में आपके दिमाग में, क्योंकि मैं जब भी टेंसेस सिखाती हूँ बच्चों को, इसमें क्या होता है दिक्कत, दे गेट वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड विथ द परफेक्ट टेंस एंड देन द परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. सो लेट्स कीप दैट असाइड. ओके, प्रॉब्लम को साइड में रख के लेट्स लर्न द इजीएस्ट part of tenses, that is samay. So today let's start with first, that is simple past tense. Okay, now simple past tense will talk about something जो आपने कार्य किया है. टेंसेस में क्या होता है, समय, और उस समय पे आपने जो कार्य किया है. तो पास्ट टेंस में कैसे आप बोलोगे इन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, जैसे आपने खाना खा लिया, आप इसको कैसे बोलोगे, आई एट. ओके, क्रिया ईट, उसका पास्ट, सिंपल पास्ट फॉर्म जो है दैट इज एट. फिर आपने लिख लिया, आप इसको कैसे बोलोगे, आई रोट इन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. आपने सो लिया, आपका नींद हो गया, यू विल से व्हाट, आई स्लेप्ट. तो स्लीप का सिंपल पास्ट इज स्लेप्ट, SLEPT. राइट विल बिकम रोट, आई रोट, ही रोट, she wrote. Okay, that is आपका कार्य हो चुका. Now past में और एक है, that is past continuous tense. That is आप past में कोई काम कर रहे थे. जैसे मैं खा रही थी, हिंदी में हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि मैं सो रही थी, मैं लिख रही थी, मैं पढ़ रही थी, वो पढ़ रहा था. So how will you say this? I was writing, or I was studying, I was reading. So the rule is, if it is simple past tense, then I will say what? I plus जो क्रिया है उसका past form. Okay, that is I wrote, I slept, and continuous will be I was sleeping, मैं सो रही थी, I was eating, मैं खा रही थी. और ये अगर he या she या they है तो कैसे होगा, ही मतलब एक व्यक्ति, लड़का, he was eating. they मतलब बहुत सारे, वे लोग, राइट. सो बहुत सारे हैं तो was नहीं होगा, यहां पे होगा were. सो कैसे बनेगा सेंटेंस, they were eating, they were studying, they were chatting. So it is very simple. Remember, let's make sentences in past simple and past continuous. It is I ate, I was eating. He ate, he was eating. They ate, they were eating. Okay, now we मतलब हम लोग, जिसमें एक से ज्यादा व्यक्ति है. So इसमें भी क्या होगा, we ate, we were eating. Okay, so let's remember this and let's frame sentences together. You can pause my video and you can you can frame sentences and you can keep practicing this way. So that is past simple and past continuous. Now let's come to present tense. Simple present tense, always remember, that is mostly used in our daily, something that happens routine wise. Like मैं हर रोज ऑफिस जाती हूँ, मैं हर रोज खाना खाती हूँ, मैं हर रोज पढ़ती हूँ. तो how will I say this? I eat I go to office, I sleep, I practice English, I walk. Okay, that means you are doing something regularly. जब भी मौका मिलेगा, you will do it or you do it regularly. So that is simple present tense. And simple present tense और एक जगह use होता है, that is when you talk about universal truth. Universal truth मतलब जिसको आप और मैं दोनों में से कोई इसको change नहीं कर सकते. जैसे सूरज उगता है from east and sets in the west. देखो, sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Can you change that? Can I change it? No, we cannot change it. So this is universal truth. Okay, so when you are talking about any universal truth, you will have to frame the sentence in present tense. और अगर ये जैसे कि थर्ड पर्सन है, he या she, या फिर जैसे कि मैंने बोला सन राइजेस, देखो मैंने बोला नहीं कि सन राइज इन द ईस्ट सेट इन द वेस्ट, नो, सन राइजेस एस लगा, सेट्स इन द वेस्ट एस लगा. ओके, सो इन दैट सेम वे he eats, she eats, but I eat. Remember this, I eat, he she के साथ या फिर कोई भी एक व्यक्ति या कोई भी चीज जो थर्ड पर्सन है उसके साथ हम s लगाएंगे. ओके, रिमेंबर दैट. एंड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, जो कार्य मेरा अभी चल रहा है, जैसे आई एम मेकिंग वीडियोज, आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग, आई एम डांसिंग, I am talking, I am singing. So it is I plus am plus ing. Okay, क्रिया के साथ ing. और ये अगर he और she है तो he is talking, he is dancing, she is smiling. Okay, and they या फिर we आया तो they मतलब बहुत सारे लोग, we मतलब बहुत सारे लोग. So it is plural. So कैसे होगा? We are talking, they are talking. Okay, simple. Now let's come to future tense. Future, simple future tenses जो काम आप करोगे. Okay, I will talk, I will sing, I will shoot a video, I will dance, I will sleep, I will write. So will plus जो वर्ब है सिर्फ वो ही, उसमें ईडी नहीं लगेगा, उसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होगा. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस आई प्लस विल या शैल प्लस द वर्ब. ओके, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम आई वी हैव he will dance, she will dance, she will study, and they है तो same, they will dance, they will sing, they will practice. And we है तो we will sing, we will dance, we will practice. That is जो काम मेरा होने वाला है, that is simple future tense. और future में कोई कार्य जो चल रहा है समझाना है तो that will be future continuous tense. That is I will be singing, I will be dancing, I will be talking. Okay, so कोई कार्य फ्यूचर में चल रहा है उसको समझाना है तो will के साथ be ऐड हो जाएगा और उसके साथ ing, जो वर्ब है वो वर्ब के साथ you will have to add ing. And remember, यहाँ पे future tense is the simplest form. It's very simple. Simple future, I will dance. Simple future, future continuous tense, I will be dancing. And अगर we है तो we will dance, we will be dancing. They will dance, they will be dancing. So it is very simple. Now to practice tenses, you might think मुझे कैसे पता होगा कि कौन सा वर्ड का क्या पास्ट टेंस है, तो इसको आपको थोड़ा सा याद करना पड़ेगा. You will have to memorize few regular verbs and irregular verbs. Irregular verbs मतलब जैसे walk हो गया, इसका past tense regular verb, जैसे walk के साथ I am adding what? Walked, ed only. Walk, walked. Okay, now there is a word like wrote, write. इसका past tense is not writed, it is wrote, WROTE, right? ed इसमें add नहीं हुआ. This is irregular verb. So you will have to remember कौन सा word past tense में क्या कहलाता है. Okay, sleep, slept, eat, ate, write, wrote, sing, sang. Okay, so you will have to practice this by framing sentences, and the best way to practice tenses is your regular daily routine. How can you do this? आपने कल क्या क्या किया था, 5 sentences बनाइए, उसको past tense में बोलिए. जैसे, now come on, practice with me. I woke up in the morning at 5 a.m. मतलब मैं कल सुबह 5 बजे उठी. woke up. Okay, देखो wake का past tense is woke. I woke up at 5 a.m. टाइम से पहले at लगाना. Okay, after that I went to office. Okay, go का past tense is went. I went to office क्योंकि मैं कल किया था इसलिए मैंने went बोला. I ate my lunch. ate, eat का past tense is ate. I ate lunch. I came back from office. come का past tense came. I came back from office. Okay, उसके बाद I cooked food. I slept. So cooked, sleep का past tense slept. तो ये सारा चीजें मैंने past tense में बोला. एंड यही चीज को मैं अगर प्रेजेंट टेंस में बोलूं, मतलब मैं हर रोज क्या करती हूं, तब मैं कैसे बोलूंगी? आई वेक अप एट 5 a.m. ओके, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. आई गो टू ऑफिस. देखो सारा क्रिया जो है उसी फर्स्ट, लाइक यू नो, द फॉर्म इज सेम. आई एम नॉट चेंजिंग इट. I wake up at 5 a.m. I go to office. I eat lunch. I come back home. I cook for my family. I sleep. Okay? And future tense, that is something I will do tomorrow. How will I say this? I will wake up at 5 a.m. I will go to office. I will have my lunch. I will do my work. I will, spend time with my family. I will cook for them. I will sleep. I will take rest. देखो सारा चीज में will लग रहा है और क्रिया जो है, जो वर्ड है, वो सेम वैसा ही रह रहा है, उसमें there is no change. Okay, now past continuous में कैसे बात करेंगे हम? I was talking to my son yesterday and I was helping him in his studies. I was cooking dinner for my family. Then I was preparing for my videos. देखो सारा was preparing, I was cooking, I was doing this, I was doing that. ing was के साथ. And present continuous is I am making a video, I am describing tenses, I am talking to you all, I am planning for my next video. सारा में I am plus ing. And future continuous will be what? I will be planning for my videos after, tomorrow. I will be planning or I will be talking to my friends. I will be talking to my family. So will be plus ing, that is future continuous. And जो perfect and perfect continuous tense है उसके बारे में अभी भूल जाओ. Do not get into so much of confusion. Okay, just remember these simple tenses as of now, and then later on, once you're clear, ये 6 टेंसेस में अगर आप क्लियर हो जाओ दिमाग और सेंटेंसेस फ्रेम करना स्टार्ट कर दो इसी में, then we can think about the rest of the 6 tenses. Okay, because सारा tenses अगर आप एक साथ कर लोगे, you will never be able to learn tenses, and tenses लेके you will always be tensed. Okay, I don't want you to be tensed with tenses, because if you're practicing alone at home, there is nobody to help you. You can come to my videos and frame sentences the way I'm framing it for you all. Okay, if there is any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will be there to assist you. Okay, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Let's Connect channel, and see you in another video of Spoken English. Thank you so much.